Not sure if y'all can see that, but this what we got. $9, 8 miles, and somebody took it. Oh my God. First order of the day. I'm looking for something a little bit better. We'll wait and see what come in next. See what we got going on right here. No action on Roadie so far. I'm gonna need them to go ahead and get it together, boy. They don't be having no orders. It was an order on there earlier, but it looks like everything right now is on the St. Louis side. Yeah, I'm good. Let's just go ahead and click on this. $10 for 23 miles. Woo-wee. What's this one looking like? 16 bucks for 10 miles? That one not as bad, but that's cool. That's some luggage from the airport. It says Southwest STL. That's an airport run right there. That's crazy. Hey guys, we just made it to order number 2. We bagging up into their driveway right now. First order was fat. I mean, it took up my whole trunk, y'all. The whole entire trunk. So these other 2 orders is small. But man, for all these groceries, man, they need to be tipping more. Like for real, for real. All right, let's get this up here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alrighty, that was a lot. Got the alcohol, got the signature, confirmation, got the sweat beads dripping down my face. Order number 3, let's go. Got my next order. This one came in at $14.58 for 5.8 miles. And I took it. And the reason I did take it is because it's only one item. They ordered a RTX gaming chair. Cost like 150 bucks. And they did tip like $3. And even though the mileage is more than I would like, it's the slow time. And they sent me 2 other round robin offers before I got that one. One for $16, 22 miles at Sam's Club, 2 drop-offs. And then the other one was $8 for 7 miles at Home Depot. And ain't no way I'm picking up no ladder driving it 7 miles away for $8. It's not happening. Now this order is slightly better. It's just barely better. 6 miles, $14. So you're getting your 2-to-1 miles money ratio. Item count is low, so it's good to go. You know, it's actually much better. We are 8 minutes away from drop off, and I'm glad I got this one because I missed the round robin drop on the last hour. I pulled up, it was like 3 minutes past the drop time, so all the good orders had already went out. And that's probably why they sent me that Sam's Club offer and then that Home Depot. But I'm lucky I got this little one item shop because I'm probably gonna be back at Walmart before anybody else who actually got a good order on the round robin drop. So with that being said, it's all good. You know, sometimes it works in your favor to get some of those scraggly orders, the orders that ain't been picked up to ASAP. We are 1 minute away from the drop-off destination, guys. I'm about to show y'all how big this gaming chair is. It's actually quite ridiculous. But you know what? Somebody must need to get on some Call of Duty, you know, some Smash Ultimate, some Fortnite. Hey, I'm not here to judge. I'm here to make this money. So this order right here gonna put us at, what's that? 4, no, that's 32, 36. This one's gonna put us at 36 bucks for the day. Let me see, 531B, stop playing with me. Oh yeah, I delivered to these folks before. They good peoples. These are good peoples right here. They only tipped a little bit this time, but that's okay. Let me show y'all this gaming chair real quick. This mug is crazy. I might have to buy me one. Check this out. Boom, look at that. Now that's a nice gaming chair right there. I might have to count me one of those. Let's go ahead, get this up to the front door and get our picture. Hold on, I need to grab my phone. I'm tripping. Picture, set it at the front door. Boom, boom, boom. Good to go. All right. This thing ain't even too heavy either. It's actually pretty light in comparison to the gaming chair I bought a little while ago. That was easy. Boom, we got it dropped off. Now we are heading right back to Walmart to see what we can get next. I did not get a offer right away come in on the phone, but that's okay though. This is what it looked like when you don't get an offer right away. We are sitting at $36 for the day, which is okay. We've been out here for 2 hours? Really? That's not really great. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. Look, that is not great, but here's the thing though. When you do Spark, a lot of times you get tips rolling in from the previous day, and that's exactly what we got. So far, altogether, we are at $43.51 because of the tips from yesterday. But with just today's earnings, we had 36. They did send me a round robin offer on my way back up here, but oh my God, was it bad. It was one of those batch.com orders, and that's another one right there. I wasn't taking it. 47 cents for 29.9 miles. It say estimated time 2 hours and 2 minutes. That's a lot. It's going to take them 15 minutes to load it up in your car. That's if they come out as soon as you pull up. That's not an order I can take. 17 stops on that mug. I'm like, look, listen, it ain't for me. Now, they sending me round robins for a store I'm not even at $15, 3 miles at Granite City, one item. I mean, a great order. And I know it's shoppers down there, so they should not be sending me a shopping order for a Walmart that's like 15 miles away. That's crazy. And that order got a tip on it and everything. So you know what? It's something going on. They sending me round robins for Wood River, Granite City. I'm not even over there. I'm all the way over here in Glen. Send me something for Glen. Still got that same Sam's Club order on her. Looks like it went up from $9 to $12, but it's still super bad because it's still 12.7 miles. So it's been on her for 3 hours and it just made it up to 1-to-1 miles 20 ratio. It makes no sense. Let me click over to Rody, see what Rody got going on. Maybe some new orders then popped up. Nope. I did see that CVS order on her earlier, but it is now gone. I see they got a pickup in Ferguson for Home Depot. That's a 20-mile run. They got something over in Bridgeton. Yeah, all that stuff over there, I'm going to leave that for Big Bro because that's way too far for me. And the money just ain't looking right on it anyways. Okay, that one's already gone. When you're dealing with Rody, you got to make sure you're pulling up with the vehicle the right parameters for the order. Because if you pull up with a car that's too small and you're picking up a heavy load, they'll lock your account. And I ain't got no time for that. Finally got one. I am actually pulling over to my little spot so I can check in quickly. They sent me 2 more batched orders that was paying $44 but had a total mileage of 30 plus miles. Estimated time 2+ hours on them orders. It ain't no way. I cannot make money committing to a 2-hour block for $40. If you want me to commit to a 2-hour block, you know, give me $65, $70. Because then even if it go a little bit over the 2-hour mark, we good. We are good. But look, for $40, no, I can't do 30 miles, 2 hours for $40. I just cannot. If you need 2 hours of my time in my own vehicle, risking everything in the world to get these orders delivered, nah, bro, you're gonna have to do $68, $78, and then we can talk some business. But with the numbers you throwing out, we not talking no business. Now I sat and I waited because I knew my round robin time was coming up soon. I knew it was coming up soon. The 38-minute mark is when the round robins drop in my zone. If you a Spark driver out there, really, if you do any kind of orders that drop at certain intervals on any app, you should be making sure that you in tune with your market and knowing what time them orders drop, where you need to be at, and on top of that, what you need to do to get into that order as early as possible. So I got $25.40 for 9 miles, 3 customers, only slightly better than the very first order I did. It's only slightly better. And the reason I say that, because look, if it was super busy, if it was prime time right now, I wouldn't even take this. For 9 miles, I need to see 35, really $40. Because normally when I accept the order that's combined mileage of 10 miles for all my customers, usually I'm getting paid anywhere between 35 to $45. Sometimes I get lucky, they pop off at 50, 55. But during the slow times, look, you will be sitting for a full hour if you don't take the best order they send you. And sometimes it's hard to know which order is going to be the best one. But when they send you batched orders that's paying you, you know, barely 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, is very, hey, then you know, hey, this is probably the best I'm going to get. I'm going to take this $25 for 9 miles, and I'm going to be back in time for the next round robin drop. And I'll keep my other apps on in the background while I'm doing this 3 customer drop off. So just in case I get one, you know, $7, $8, 1 mile food delivery, I knock it out. Or if I get a little CVS order, you know, along the way, because Rody didn't drop the little CVS drop, then I can go ahead and grab that. But that's how you do it to make sure you maximize it and making that money. Because had I been, you know, doing like a $7 DoorDash order or a $10 Uber or a $8 Grubhub, I might have missed my drop time over here. And while I would have been busy doing something else, I would have probably missed the most profitable order for the hour that I'm working. And mind you, this is not no weekend, nighttime food delivery, grocery. This is the middle of this the beginning of the week, middle of the day. So this is one of the slowest times. You got to take what you can get and you got to be on it. So look, I just did that little loop around so that we can pull back over here and check in. That's a little hack. Sometimes you drive a little bit away from Walmart so that you can come back and check in a little bit earlier than everybody else. So now everybody else probably got to wait like 3-4 more minutes. But me, I'm already good. I'm here. I can peek over, see nobody in parking spot 1. Boom. Now I'm drop off number 1. Ooh, don't drop the phone. Ooh, that would have been bad. Looks like we're dropping off this one with the good old case of sodas. Go ahead and sit you right there. Take this soda up there first. Ooh-wee. I can't be out here dropping the phone, man. That's a violation. That is a violation. All right, I can carry all this up at one time. Easy peasy, on to the next. All right, y'all, we got 2 more drop-offs. Let's see how close we are. We got about 2 or 3 mile drive up the street to the next one, but that's all right, though. Because maybe the last one is fairly close to that one, so if it is, that'll be a win. You better not fall from right there. I know that's right. All right, we at drop-off number 2. They stay right off the main road, too, so lucky me. I had to pull into their driveway, reverse, while looking at oncoming traffic, but it's all good. We made it. Let's get this thing dropped off. All right. We doing okay. We got 1 more drop off to go. It is 3 o'clock on the dot. So if I can get this next one dropped off in the next couple of minutes, I can go ahead and call that a 3-hour shift. Woo! How far away is we? 8 minutes. That's a lot of minutes. Hold on now. How far away am I? 8 minutes. 4 miles. Okay, well that'll put me at 308. So let's go ahead and hit the road because the next order got to be 4 miles away. What the hell? And it's definitely the furthest one away. These people got some nice ass houses, man. I don't know how much these people be tipping, but alrighty, guys, we got all 3 orders dropped off. My acceptance rate went up to 39%, so that's cool. That's cool right there. We didn't see anything on Roadie, guys. We didn't see anything on Roadie. We didn't see anything on Grubhub. I did toggle on. Maybe I'll schedule me a Grubhub block. Maybe that'll make it better, but see nothing but these Walmart Spark orders, and I did my little 3 runs, 7 customers in total. And you know what? I'm just gonna be cool with that because when it's slow, it's slow. And if I go for 1 more hour, that'll be hour number 4. And I don't really want to go 4 hours and not be in already at $100. So that's my cue right there to go ahead, take my break, go home, get me something to eat. You know, I probably should have already ate something, but my thing is I don't like to eat until I get some money on the board. Until I got some earnings on the table, that's when I'm ready to eat. And now that I made my $60 in this first little 3 hours of work, technically 3 hours and 15 minutes, including this little drive home, but who's counting that, right? 3 hours of work, not bad. Now I'm gonna go in, chill for a minute, mix this video down, and I'm gonna come out and make me a little bit more money later on. Listen, if you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor. Let me know, how are you liking working the delivery apps as a full-time driver? And if you're not a full-time driver, let me know why. You at the end of this video. Do you just fuck with me like that? I fuck with you too. Hey, if you fuck with me like that, do me one last favor. Hit that like button and that subscribe button and watch my next video too. I'll see you in the next one.